Hello guys, I have just installed my new wallet app Binance right now. I will add $100 worth of Flash to it. We are going to generate Flash from another wallet using our software and transfer it directly into the Binance wallet. I will explain exactly how to get Flash and how the generate process works. As I already showed you on today, you can check the time span here. We are about to generate the flash. I have copied the USDT address from her and paste it into my software. I am going to show you this live in a single uncut video. Now I will enter my TRC20 address from my Binance wallet and connect it. Once you click connect, it takes about 2 to 10 seconds to enable a connection. Next we select the server. Depending on the server whether it is the 1K, 10K or 15K server, there is a corresponding fees. Let me check the wallet transfer status. Our is currently offline, so I am going to generate 10K inside and you can watch it live. Alright, let's take a look. After clicking check wallet, the software instantly connects to our wallet and prepare to inject the amount directly into our balance. Once we click generate, we just need to pay the requirement generate fee. The generate process has started and it is usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. I will fast forward this part and show you the final result once it is fully generated. Alright, the processing is underway and the funds will be credited directly into my Binance wallet. You can transfer the anywhere, whether it is Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance, Bybit or any other platform. It is also work on all major trading sites. My Telegram username is displayed on the screen. Please note, only serious buyer who want to make a real purchase should contact me. No free demos or tests are available and we do not deal in small volumes. As you can see, the flash is about to hit the wallet. If you are a new buyer, you can start with our minimum deal to build trust. Once you are satisfied, we can move on large transaction. The process is almost complete now. The amount I click release it, the amount will be credited to the balance. Let me refresh the page to show you. As you can see, the transaction is processing and will reflect instantly. You can also track the transaction status directly inside the software. Now this balance is ready to be transferred anywhere. You can use it for your own purpose. Please remember, it is not swappable. It can only be transferred and utilized you on trading platform like Utex, where you can eventually convert it into real money. Once you make the purchase, you will receive the software along with a complete step-by-step guide. You can see everything live here. If you are seriously interested, reach out to my Telegram username shown on the screen. For anyone looking for high quality flash, you can start with a minimum deal for stabilized trust. Once that done, we can transaction to large deal and maintaining a long-term business relationship. So going to Telegram channel and buy now.